Hi guys, Tech on the Brain here, back with another video. Just a quick video today to show you one thing and tell you another thing. So I'm going to be uploading once every 2 weeks now, and the reason for this is it's just a lot easier, and also I think I'll actually be able to make higher quality videos. So just as almost a bit of a filler video, but there's a big video coming up 1 week from today, so you'll wait 1 week and then next week it will be up. Not sure how to say that. It's 2 weeks anyway. So today I'm going to show you how to remove the battery from a Dell Inspiron laptop. Now, first of all, this might not be true for every Dell Inspiron. This is quite an old one. But on the back here, you should... well, don't look at the front. Just don't look at the front. It's a horror movie. But if you look on the back here, you will see 2 clips at the top. And basically, just to get the battery out, these clips have got to slide to one side, so the clip that is on my left at the moment, I've got it reversed so it's hard to think, will slide more to the left, and the clip that's on the right at the moment will slide to the left. You will get a clip that's a bit stubborn. It might take a bit of a going at. I'll be back with you in a sec. Right, so the key I've found is if there's a clip that's been a bit stubborn, just slide it a bit. You might have to get your nails under a bit. And then just pull the battery out. It should go with the battery. Just like that, and you see we've got our battery out, letting you swap for a new battery if the battery is dead. Reason I removed the battery from this one, or I'm doing any taking apart videos on it, is because this laptop is dead. So now you can just slot in a new battery if it's this very old big type of battery. So to get it back in, just slide it. Make sure it's all lined up. So line it up with each edge, push it to sort of one side and get it to line up with the clips, and then just push it in until you hear that click, and then slide the clips back into their previous position to lock it. So we're going to slide the left clip to the right and the right clip to the right. And then now you say our battery ain't going anywhere. It will try, because this is a poorly designed system for batteries, in my opinion. Albeit an easy to replace system. You see, the hinge on this. So your hinge might be a lot easier to slide to one side than mine was, and that's because the hinge is broken. If I just pull it, even when it's locked, it can unlock like that. So yawn will probably be a bit harder to get out if your Dell Inspiron's in perfect condition, but we'll just go over that one more time. The clip to the far left slides more to the left, and then the clip to the far right, you slide to the left. As I say, because this is a dodgy hinge, just pretend that slid all the way to the left. And then your battery will come out. Line it up perfectly. Drop it in. Well, no, probably going to have to push. Obviously, make sure it's lined up properly, otherwise that will happen. Slide it back in, and just goes back in like that. So that's it for today's short video, and this is Tech on the Brain, out.